I don't know if I'm gonna be here or not, but make sure you send that invite to me, okay? You heard it, didn't you? Big bass. Yep, he got off. Huh? Holding it up. I was trying to keep him, yeah, I was holding him up the whole time, but I was trying to keep him from going under that stuff. Yeah. That's alright. That's alright. You got a bite for him. He's over on the other side. He can't do it. He got off. That was a huge bass. What was that? Now I'm telling y'all, I'm fishing with the legendary pole man bassing, you guys.
Get out of town, bro.
If you listen at his tips and them nuggets that he give you guys, you can't go wrong. Now what was that you were just saying? I put you on the spot.
Yeah. But with a big bass, you never want to pull your rod up high because big bass are prone to jump, and when they jump, they can throw your bait. So when you hook into a bass, whether it's big or small, you want to put your rod down. That's keeping them down in the water, and crank. Okay. Crank. If he takes drag, he takes drag, but that keeps his head down in the water, and it keeps you bringing them one direction. Okay. Yeah. Keeps controlling your boat, guys. See, yo guys, I don't take it for granted, because ever since I've been going out with pole man bassing, I've been watching his techniques and what he says and what he does, how he acts, and I'm telling you something, the guy knows some things about fishing, you guys. So yeah, I am stuck in his back pocket. But that catfish was a trip, you guys. I wasn't expecting that. Awesome.
Yeah, I was not expecting that much kitty cat. You guys, fishing with the rattle trap this morning, the lipless crankbait, and been catfished.
Giant catfish right there. That's a big boy. That is a big boy right there. Look at that. And feed somebody, family.
Yeah, he will. Man, he got that thing down in his mouth. Look at there, you guys. God, look at my bait right there. How you get this out of here? Man. He ain't gonna keep his mouth open.
No, you got your slack. You got your gripper.
Mm-hmm.
Put your gripper and open that thing. I'll hold it open.
Okay.
Ready to go, bro. Look at that thing right there, y'all. You see that catfish?
I didn't want that.
Anybody want a catfish? It's like this is a delicacy, you know. You see how many nuggets and fillets you can get out of anyway. Y'all already know.
My goodness, man.
Big old channel cat, right? Or blue cat.
He ain't gonna let that bait go, is he?
Put this down. I don't want that boy to get dragged in the water. Oh, I couldn't even see that line.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Wait, hold.
He biting down on it, Patrick. He bit down on it.
Look at that. Look at that, y'all.
Hold on, Patrick. Hold him right there.
He ain't got no, I ain't doing nothing with his mouth because he close it if he want to. There you go. There you go. Oh, you broke that off.
I did, didn't I?
Sure did. So you got two more there.
Yeah,
that's how y'all be breaking them off.
Probably. I tried to come out the way it was in there, but it didn't work, Patrick. That's okay. Let's get this guy weighed. What do you think, Patrick?
Oh, man.
How much you think you weigh? Take a guess.
He 10 plus.
Zeroed out, guys.
He 10 plus.
He 10 plus.
You ready?
Yep. Oh! You did good.
He 10 plus, guys. He 10 plus.
Watch out, Patrick. Where you going?
Look at that. Way to go, bro, Clyde.
Between
get him, man.
10-9 and 10-10.
Yeah, that's almost 11 pounder right there.
10-9.
Way to go, bro, Clyde.
That's a meaty right. You want to take him home, man? You get some nuggets out of this bad boy for a long time.
Take him home, bro, Clyde.
No, yeah, you messing.
Hey, wait, hold up. Let me get that picture, bro, Clyde. Y'all see I'm playing Township. I'm sponsored by Not Township. Oh, man. That made it worthwhile, bro, Clyde.
Yeah, it did.
Get them turned around, too. Turn them off well. All right. I'll do it. Come on, bro. Clyde, look, make them look good, bro.
I'm trying.
All right.
Okay, Patrick.
There we go.
Here you go, Patrick. Man, I tell you.
That's all right. You been eating down there. Look at that stomach on him.
He sure is.
Ain't no way. Now that bad boy look way bigger than mine. He look way bigger than mine, bro, Clyde.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm Clyde Demery. I'm first time casting adventures, and you know who I got in the background with me?
Paul Man's Bassing, guys.
He wanted to go fishing this morning. I thought about it. Then I said, yeah, 10-pound catfish. Look at this. I just didn't get him in there. Huge catfish. I didn't want that, Patrick. I didn't want that.